Alright, hey guys, here we have a Casablanca Ventura 2 in architectural white. This is something I picked up earlier today. Really do like the finish on it. It's definitely interesting compared to your standard Snow White or Off-White. Also came with, this included Adapt Touch remote. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's the main reason I got it. I thought this was actually a Snow White fan until I took it out of its box that I came with. Was not new in box. Anyways, yeah, really cool fan. I really do like the texture. It's essentially like a textured Snow White, but you don't get any sheen with it because it's not a smooth surface. Blades also do have a little bit of texture, but not as much. They're not glossy. Anyways, let's go take a look at it. It is in really good condition, as it did come out of someone's house as opposed to Habitat. You can see it has a little bit of texture there. Alright, we'll start off with the general white setting. So if we hit this button on the left, bring us to our low setting. Turn that off. And it'll bring us to our highest setting. It only has two 25-watt bulbs, which are really not bright at all. It can take a maximum of 60 watts, but this is just what it came with. Alright, let's turn that off. Actually, let's go through our general settings. So if I hold this down, it'll dim, and then it'll come back to full brightness. Let's bring it down some again. Yeah, a little more. Alright, right there's good. Actually, no, we'll just keep it off. And then just go through our general settings, turn on low speed. So essentially what this is just a standard 3-speed remote. It does not include reverse because it wires into the canopy as opposed to actually being part of the build of the fan. It's just a, yeah, I guess just a standard remote receiver and control. Yeah, it has a good low speed. Let's go to medium. And it does have reverse relays, which this is one of the one time that I actually prefer, or not reverse relays, but it has relays in general. This is the one time I do prefer relays as opposed to like IntelliTouch 3. I think it's just downright annoying. And I don't know, I think there's too much clicking. This, at least you know that it's going to that speed, or that it got the signal. Alright, and let's go to high speed, which as expected is quite a powerhouse. Unfortunately with my setup I was not able to get the canopy super tight to the ceiling because of the module and everything, because it doesn't fit quite right. Alright. One of the blades is a little warped. And as expected, it's quite the powerhouse. Alright, let's go ahead and do spin down. Which isn't very long with these blades. Yeah, you can Can't really tell what's even on. Yeah, might as well just keep it off. Yeah, good spin down, especially for shorter blades. Usually the shorter blades are quicker. Alright, there's a Casablanca Ventura 2 in the 5-blade configuration. Let's go ahead and do the 4-blade and I'll get right back with you. Alright, well there's something you're not going to hear every day. I actually prefer 4 blades far better than I do with 5 on this. Yeah. There's one for the books. Anyways, go ahead and... Oh, I did forget to plug it back in. My bad. I guess it doesn't affect the video too much, so I guess we'll just leave it at that. Anyways, speed 1. That was speed 1, right? Yeah. Yeah, I really do like this with the 4 blades. Speed seems a little slower with the remote. Maybe it's just me. Maybe at the end we'll go ahead and do adjustable settings on the fan. Alright, let's go ahead and go to medium. I don't know what that was. Alright, let's go to high. There it goes. I can't tell if it shakes more or less. I think I want to say less, because it doesn't have that one warped blade on it. And not only is it warped, it's like split in the middle too. Nothing too hard to fix. I think all I'll have to do is stick some glue and clamp it in there. Go ahead and do spin down. These have a good pitch to them too. I think it's over 12 degrees, 15 maybe. At least that's what it looks like to me. This blade here coming around looks like it's got a little warp to it too. This one. Oh my gosh. Oh, 'tis the season for the box elder bugs. Just flew right past the fan. Wow, yeah, good spin down. so it's set to high. Now it's off. I'll set the fan to high. Let's go to low. Just in case anyone's interested in general settings. Yeah, I can't tell if that's warped or if the blade arm is bent. Yeah, so far speed seems the same. Yeah, maybe this box overload will fly right into the fan. Just wishful thinking. Alright, and I mean, we already know what high does. Now, what I want to do. Okay, so high, off, low. Oh, we can do a zoom up on 4-speed. Or 4-blade. Anyways, you get the idea. Now let's do low on the fan and low on the control. Let's see how that looks. Now that's a mistake. Low speed, that's better than a teletouch. Yeah, I suppose this wouldn't be a bad fan if you put bird bulbs in it. I'm guessing that's why they replaced it. It was replaced with some 4-blade Hunter. I think from Menards, because there was a Menards nearby. I found that out unexpectedly. Alright, anyways. There's my Ventura 2 in textured white. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.